The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Oh, maybe not my time, I walk on the bridge. So I say, man, the bridge and I talk about the bridge. You know what this bridge down here? Watch it. That's your guitar. I don't know. Just see the video. You're free, man. Well, it's a morning.
You know, this video is to tell the fans that I actually told
Nick your Steve.
I told Nick, I said to Nick is stubborn. So I'm saying, Nick, when you're brushing teeth in the morning, I'm going to record it. And have a sermon for the fans and tell them, good morning. You know what Nick might be? Fans will never come all the way to Jamaica.
God me.
So fans go on to the calm Nick. I'm giving my target to him. So Nick, how come?
I first just say Russian team. No, it's a Russian team.
This is Jamaica Good Life.
First never was my team, man.
Look on the shower edge. You have to see everything. You know?
No, man. You have to but no, I don't want it. There's nobody there. Oh. They're not going to put them in the gas for anything. Well, they won't believe it.
So, when you let me wash my face, you guys could. You guys are seriously disturbed.
I can't get that one then. It's a nice little triple care.
Same thing what I do. Same thing what I do. The whole of them the same job, but they want to call it there, that's going in, you know. One job I do.
No.
What time now? After 9. And you never been asking if I said that Jamaica.
You have to do better than that.
You have better than that, man. I cough sleep a bit so late, man.
Something must be done about this. We cannot do this.
Hell after all.
Something needs to be done.
You mean, sir, we can't sleep till...
That this hours, man, I cough sleep in a bed and so that, man. You have to wake up before sun at a morning time, brethren.
Oh, okay. Well, when you know you drink some rum and thing and...
Nick. Yesterday, no. What I know?
Someone look to see that show.
Yesterday, no. What I you see? Sometimes you come. You say, one rum punch. Not big rum punch, brother. With the fruit juice and yeah. Right. We drink that. Not, it tastes sweet, man. It's good. I need another one. You're going to make one thing say, it's a free one tastes better than that. And you're going to mix a third.
What you say?
You see me come after 7 last night, the back then come. The man knock out. That's what they come and say, no man, get some.
Man, something else be done.
No, but that was the first day. You know, McCall.
What, jet lag?
No, jet lag, man. I don't know I'm knocking him out, man. It's jet lag, man.
So we're in a bit trouble, man.
The master.
I Jerry, I never knock him out, man. The sun not touch him yet.
Bring the camera and kitchen and start the breakfast. I'm supposed to wake me up on the breakfast already.
No, man, it's supposed to wake up before breakfast ready, man.
But you're not ready.
You must wake up at 6 in the morning time when sun hot, before it's sun hot.
And then the game name one play.
You're not? No, my lord, not to look bad, man. The hot man, I go back up from here.
Yeah, man, see what I'm going on.
Well, yo, I know it's expensive.
Brother, me know the amount of money you spend this day.
Sitting on top of this like 20,000.
Yeah.
That's it, long time.
Yeah.
When you go, Mr. What you say?
Yeah.
You said no, sir.
That's it. No, she wasn't very
I'm going to wife and go. She can't remember. You go last week, she's back there. Yeah, move on. I say, yes, man. Yeah, move on. And if I'm not a band, I clean up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, move on, man. Let me buy it.
Take some oats porridge, man.
Come in here, yeah.
No, come
So, let me take a come in here, too.
Sure, you can.
Let me have
You can run outside, eh?
let me have
No, don't work outside them.
Never quit.
You don't fit. So when I look like it.
No, when I look quit, the next one look quit. I'll probably quit around the drink and jump.
When they a baby one. When they a baby.
It's a shame, already?
Yeah, last night.
When you come?
About 2 rounds ago.
And I did that, huh?
No, son, I didn't drop them big.
Okay, I'm going to do it.
I'll keep one more to this.
You want to drink from here?
Eh?
What tell you drink from here?
No, she not here, man. Don't drink beer. Eh? I put it down to the round, man. You don't need no support, man. No, fuck, you go for it. Let's get that on, man.
So, I'm alright, so I'm going to spin my car now.
Alright, so Nadisha need to cook, you need to cook, me need to cook. We're gonna help each other still, but everybody have to cook this time around. Together. Eh? Yeah, everybody. And in addition to prepare a nice meal for Randy.
Don't you know, this is really start make with the thing that then start the cassava line.
You know what?
Yeah.
Cassava. You know taste good again.
It tastes good, but it tastes like a first beer then.
So you put cassava in back?
No man. No man. That cassava in a beer no.
Yeah, but be careful when the man be drinking.
You're none.
Eh?
You're none.
You tell me that drink that. I tell everybody that. You and your man chatting.
Though it tastes like a donkey piece no. It tastes different from a donkey piece.
When he cometh, to give me. Yeah, man, things very expensive right now. You want the fan?
I don't know.
Turn on fire. So, I hope what the key is short, because you don't want to really come in here.
I'm coming out of car.
I would think any girl would have fun, that's it.
Sorry, but I couldn't.
No, man, yeah, I don't have friend of the son.
I should let that be.
And she come in, because her door is open.
Okay.
And she came and just,
So we didn't like your part.
yeah, because I couldn't call me, I call but nobody not
You
here.
never jump the fence.
But we can't jump in.
You have fence, so we jump the fence.
We have to go let them on the yard.
You have fence, so we jump the fence.
Smoke. I'm jump up on the color of this.
You have fence, so we jump the fence.
So when you jump on
You no matter how you want to come over, you have fence, so we jump the fence and you cannot be good.
I consider but we
Now, pray that's when you do the fence and you want to say you have fence.
Yeah, shoot you? They are on the way, I don't know.
No, probably, if I police don't really shoot you, know. I police don't shoot, probably come with that one fence.
Yeah, man, they don't come now. But after they don't allow me.
Yeah, when I explain to them, I say, what happened, then that pass right now, they okay, to find out stuff. Okay, then that's not my time. And then that pass out. But then people, when they can't, they're not telling you.
I win that up. Still. I win
Yeah, Mr. Lord.
Then I lock me up. Then I lock me up for night. But
Put down something on your backside and the preference of
but she don't regret it.
Why not? What do you want? She don't love you, man.
So what spirits people this morning? So quick quotes. Breakfast.
How come we need to, you know what we need to do, guys? Sorry. We need to go to the beach
When?
today.
They are a beach.
Show the fans. We never walked in the water.
Jamaica Good Life. The t-shirt that
This
I
is-
found.
Finish shirt that? Big man that can't fit me, no. That no one check
They're
this.
too
Boy,
big.
is a big man. Big man supposed to take me something a small is a large. Large to fit me, big man.
You're tough on you know. You know, Pastor, I get Nick.
So that fit me nice now. Take it.
Person, you're not a big Nick.
No, because I have a shirt underneath.
No, I'm not a big man. I already have a shut up.
You let him they put the camera upon you. Oh no, what Christmas?
No, that's also the same one. I don't want to sleep in a bed too much.
Jamaica people.
I'm kidding a bit too much of that.
Jamaica Good Life. Respect. See you over there, though.
Yeah.
Wow, look at them. Oh no, no have no shirt?
No shirt.
Then I should just go now.
We don't have no shirt before?
No. I first give one Jamaica Good Life shirt.
The fans, them, you know, them never donate for the shirt.
I did that on the board.
What kind of milk you have?
Mister, this is, alright, let's stop all that nonsense. Good morning, everybody. This is a new beautiful day.
We want to pray this morning.
Let's pray. Let's
pray.
pray, Nick. Let's pray.
Let's pray. Father, we give you thanks this morning. Thank you for life. Thank you for strength. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for strength, your love, your kindness. This morning, as we are about to go about our businesses, I pray that you go before us, cover, lead, and direct. Let this day run in order according to thy will. Let your will be done as it is in Jesus' name. Amen. Beautiful.
Yeah, start the day right.
This
So
is
now
just
I'm
to
gonna
wake me up,
apply
not
milk.
even in prayer.
No, man, you get up with your camera, man.
I just see the camera, camera.
No, at the fans them. And then wait me before him drink breakfast, him have a beer.
No, yeah, actually. Yeah.
Me never suggest to bring breakfast from the yard yet, you know.
I told me.
Eh?
Drink some tea on me, yeah.
What kind of tea you drink?
What kind of tea with this one again? Must have some Milo.
I just look a while and you know remember. You was the man where I drink.
No, man, you said to me I didn't drink tea. I must have to drink, you know what I mean?
Man, it's such a pleasure being here. It's so good to be
When
here.
I came and I saw it outside, I said, this is the man.
Jamaica Good Life people, send me there. I'm going to come to church, Rago Beach. I hear it's a big week, Dream Week. What is Dream Week here?
Dream Week?
It's a week of party.
That's
Starting tomorrow. Well, actually starting today because I want that beach park today.
At the park, and it's free entrance for people?
Free entrance? Today? Alone?
Today.
Oh.
The other parties will, the other parties.
Or something.
I know lots of Jamaicans going to be there.
This is a community thing, so it's free roundabout for the children, boat ride, that kind of thing.
Yeah, so we can go up on the boat for free.
I'm not sure, I'm not going to
You don't like the boat?
You're not going to
Trust you, you're right.
No, the person is put on the party, I'm not interested in it.
Oh, you don't like the person?
No, the MP.
Party.
The MP that's put on the party is no sense.
You don't like, you want the world to hear that?
Huh? I don't care if everyone wants to hear, I don't like the MP.
Why don't you like the MP?
Because it's not about the MP.
Why isn't that a good MP?
It's like I am in Nigel 20 something years. He's the MP for 20 something years. And there's nothing in Westmoreland that I can see that MP done. That's for the constituency. So what sense does it make? Now his ass is in fire. The next election is coming up. He's trying to say he's doing something which is no good.
Also, I'm just politics.
Yeah, so it make no sense. I mean, not doing that guy, man.
So you don't deal with that.
No.
I'm gonna put some banana in the porridge.
Wow, this is good morning, world.
Morning.
I'm trying not to eat a lot this time around.
Yes.
I came here distinctively. Nick is gonna film famous world chicken, and this is Nadisha's ice cream. You know, I realize this is one of the best house in the world. I've heard you had some guests recently.
Yes.
You guys are having guests now from all over the world, from Bermuda.
Yes.
Tell us about your guests.
Well, they were very nice to us. You know, it was a pleasure having them with us. You know, they enjoyed the hospitality, what we had to offer. You know, and that is the main thing. You know, we are not rich. You know, but we actually give what we have, and that's love.
So you're rich in love.
Rich in love.
And
so, you know, they left here with a smiling face, which is the whole plan.
Yeah.
You know, for them to
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, and I can tell you, memories of a lifetime. That's what Jamaica Good Life is offering. You know, going through, carried by the best Jamaican people. You know, reaching hard. That will.
So somebody's a preacher. Why you not send him a phone in church? But you need a hand for him church.
Alright, so I'm gonna put some right banana in it to give it flavor.
Oh, nice. You put one. Right?
Just one.
Oh, nice for flavor.
Just one.
And you have nutmeg too.
I'm not making it also. I'm a chef, you know, I move very fast.
This is what Nicolas said. You know, he's a chef because his friend's belly is bigger than mine. Trusty, your stomach is always bigger than mine.
Always big.
Always big. Yeah, that's show that you're a man of God.
What is it?
Little stomach people, no, not God enough. God. They're not blessed. This looks good. People, this is the oats porridge from Randy.
Banana only cook nice, man.
Banana oats and something. So how has it been when I'm not here? Because I notice, you know, you guys, I find that Jamaicans are tired when I'm gone, but when I'm here, everybody's excited. Why is that?
When I got a call to meet somebody, I didn't know who it was. And when I came, I saw it was you. And from that moment on, we were inspired because of the movement. So how can we forget the leader? How we can say, okay, we're going to carry the mantle by ourselves? Doesn't make sense.
That's true.
The mantle must be carried by the king.
Yeah. Yeah.
And be followed by the followers.
Amen.
So when you realize we need the strength from the man who started it, the man who said, hey, let us do this. You know, so it's not like we are say tired, but we need that little push.
That strength.
Because it's not something that we came up with. It wasn't our idea. We go along with it because we accept it. Right? But still, the leader need
the fire.
Yes. Yes. So we're not tired.
Okay. And the fans would reply, but guys, Randy left on the camera, everything for continue to work. Him tired, gotta find them vexing him.
Yeah, I understand that, but
how do you talk to the fans
again,
that trusted that even you didn't do no work trusted?
I will talk to the fans and based on that. There was work done, but Jamaica is limited when it comes to internet. When it comes to internet, we are very lacking, right? And that means to get the information across the world, it's hard for Jamaicans. In the US or in other countries, you have where the internet is at your fingertip. You can do whatever you want.
So what can the fans do to help us to keep the show going?
Well, we need an internet system. That means when we do our video, automatically I can leave it, go to work, come back, you get the videos. Videos being uploaded. Right? And then production, you will see production. But if we can't send it, if I have a little data on my phone and I have to use that to send, then how much data would I consume just to send you a lot of videos? How much I can't purchase that. You understand?
So it's the fans' fault.
No, it's all of us fault.
All of us.
It's all of us.
It's just because of the data problem, you understand? So we don't have data, that's it. Because to put on a 2-day plan in your phone is like 350J. And 2-day plan is no good.
That's it.
No good.
That's it.
350.
J.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense.
And that, most of the time, that cannot do one video.
It can't send it.
It doesn't.
So why didn't you guys just record, compile, and wait?
That's what I did. I have a lot of videos for you.
Oh, you guys have a lot of videos for the fans. Because remember,
Yeah, videos.
it is not for me.
No,
For the fans. For the
For the
fans.
fans.
Okay.
We have videos.
Okay.
But we're gonna work on the whole
You know, beautiful.
No, we're going to serve the content.
You can't tell me that. Fancy that pattern already.
No, sir.
You not tell me that. I'm my organization this. I saw my hotel run.
Where to type it?
No.
So in the servant.
Big man.
In the servant.
I'm my hotel this.
In the servant.
I'm my hotel.
In the servant.
We got beach in
In
the
the
servant.
servant.
It is different.
In the servant.
I'm my place.
In the servant.
Hey Nick, that'll be fabulous. Man, we cut up some one more banana on the side. I'm not telling you how to serve.
You want banana on the side?
Yeah, man, and boy, you have to be careful. Alright, stop, guys. You might try to deal with it. That's right. Deal with the stomach. And we're gonna try to speak more English.
We're gonna sit here.
And we're gonna sit here at the famous table. We're all gonna sit. This is epic.
Let's say about English.
We're gonna try to speak as much English as we can because you know.
That's where the problem is.
That's where the problem comes in.
No.
No.
It's Jamaican. It's
Oh,
Jamaican.
jeez.
Now be careful.
You know how many
Jamaican.
people want to understand us, but we have to subscribe.
No.
Subtitle.
Them have to take time to learn it.
Mhm.
That is we. Randy, look here. The Jamaican who speak 100% English are scammer. Them are thief. You understand me I say? You try me, man.
Big man, he's a big man.
No, serious something, you know.
Mhm.
Notice the Jamaican here. Them are scammer. Bro. Yeah, Jamaican don't speak. That's we. We mix. English patois, we mix.
Yeah.
That's typical Jamaican.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man. Then I finally speak on the.
Good morning, people. We're at the big house. See there? See? It's Jamaica Good Life. There's the car.
At 12 o'clock, you're going to Yeah. I'm going to have a hectic day today, so let's make it fast, snappy, and nice. Alright, sure. Don't eat before you pray. Come on. Yeah, man.
Nick never did.
How much water do you want? No, don't fold it. Fold this paper.
Police guy there.
Necessity, part of the cleansing.
You need some necessity, though.
And that essentially you never put it in.
It helped a little bit to clean the blood.
No. We don't want the good cleansing surgery.
By the bush.
Back,
I'm queerly.
I'm a queer. I'm queerly. That a surgery. This have chemical in it.
This have chemical in it?
I mean.
Them put chemical in it? Preservative.
Anything preserve, anything out of that will not preservative.
You mean they can't put, wow, everything, wow.
Have you preservative in that?
Almighty, we can't eat without the Nick, you know already.
Wow, yeah, come.
I'm already like it up on.
Oh, wow. This is Jamaica Good Life, this is Ronald Patterson. To all the fans, and the one look at hater. I think start recognize the one hater. Anytime you want to meet up, I will go to me really. You know when you can laugh after somebody, I said to him, anytime you want to meet up and tell me say me I eat that to my face. I'm willing. Yeah. And that's when you know a man is a little man. You have to run around you and call Nick. Why not call me? You have my number right there, sir. You not call me. I like the shirt, them man, the faded.
Yeah, but really small.
No, I don't smell on that one.
One man now. Why?
I try to make you into a big man.
Yeah.
It must grow into the shirt. So you read the preservative?
I never heard. Then some 100% certainly.
I'm not added.
Instruction. Anything package. Something of that.
Yeah, man, package. Half in it.
Anything package, something like that.
Half in it.
Yes.
Half. I want to say no preservative.
One more so.
Big man. Turns vegan, you know. Turns to eat.
No, man.
Sit down here, sir.
Yeah, chef, you know, man.
You might just spend
Now we try to sit down.
right
Oh, my God. Balance. Chill. You can't sit down without me normally sit down.
Alright. We give examples for this all the fastest man. As a working God, we pray that you will strengthen our body. And continue to bless us and to continue to lead and to have no faith. And bless Jamaica Good Life. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah. What's porridge? Banana.
Well,
That is a nutmeg. That is like a
garnish.
a signature taste.
That's a spice.
Wow. So you eat that with it? You serve that with the guests?
The nutmeg.
The shell, the little.
Yeah.
So why didn't I film it? That was not done in the
The vine in there?
It was an accident.
You can eat it. Not none of you. Let them go on.
Me just see if Nick can try a cuisine thing. Like I said, you eat the nutmeg thing and never taste. Yeah man, the porridge good. I know people try to impress me with their food, you know. And them sisters.
I don't say whenever you do that, no. Just do the best you can.
You want a piece of my bread? Nick, would you happen to have a knife, please? Sorry. So I'm go over job. Two nutty shot by?
Yeah. I'm going to see this one.
You can't buy it about the park.
That's the bird knife, you know.
You want the park one.
No, knife in there, I'm not seeing the knife. What do you have to know? Oh, why the seals? Why the seals? Right
Can
there.
I just get a spoon, please? Thanks.
I'll get a fork instead.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Scammer.
Good morning.
Scammer that.
What's up? Yeah. Things good. Everything alright? We know what for a while. We know what for a while. Nothing. How are things? You going to work? You going to work? Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, man.
Everything alright though. Some care to the worry. You care to the worry.
It's good.
Okay. When I'm going to work, 1 o'clock.
How much time you cook breakfast here?
I'm going to work to
You make breakfast here?
Oh, that? What's that one?
And then there's like something. Make the pause because you talk. After they pause and they continue talking too. They good, brother. What you doing? They can. Sorry about that, gentlemen.
Where's that one?
When I shot to the beach?
Where's that one?
Oh, beach shop?
They ain't hot now. I just have to shirt.
Where's that one? Where's that one?
I'm from while we were talking.
Oh.
I'm hot man. I'm just happy to eat them, man. I just show the airport.
Yeah, that's cool now.
It's good. I don't make the price too sweet. It's just.
That's all right.
But there's no one come down and get bigger again. I'm not putting up some weight now. It's just full life going now. Done. Change and balance is inactive.
Now, what is change and balance to you? The foundation of Jamaica Good Life is to bring our faith-based system together, unity, right? Nick gets it. Do you get what change and balance is? Because you hear me talking. That is our philosophy. Do you understand that?
Not quite.
Not quite. Good. So why never tell me? Nick, why never sit down with you and say never get it?
No man, Randy.
Well,
I am the person who work my way in the system. You understand? So anything I'm going we can easily catch hand in night. I not so bright now, but I just don't see that.
I understand that. It's all a concept, you know. It's just a concept.
Yeah. So when you break yourself and say you're in the system, so we're going to rule of the system. It can work.
So you adapt to the system.
Yeah man, easily.
Once you adoption.
So this man, we had a long discussion last night we're going to post because this Jamaica Good Life is becoming bigger than
Oh, that's right. That's what I think of the rum cream last night.
People like intoxicated. Talking madness.
See it, people. See it? You see it? See there. And that man ran to drink off last night. And then left the back from me.
You know, drink that.
When they're back, I can make quench with thirst.
You drink rum green.
Alright. How do you feel?
Red stripe.
How do you feel?
That's it.
When you want to drink, you drink all whiskey.
You drink whiskey?
Yeah, you know, I like it.
I've never tasted that whiskey before.
So Nick says the word has to get to the end of the earth because it's working for his life. Nick, can you give him a little bit of taste of what change and balance is? Help him. Help your brother.
In God.
Because no, Nick is like, what you saying it is now?
In God do this.
For change and balance? Why?
Because the word must be reached to the four
You hear what this man saying?
The Bible, you know, read it, you know. The Bible says we don't want the word reach the four corners of the earth. Because it's unfair for a man.
No, I don't come that now. If the word no reach the end,
You can't come.
can't come.
Because it justifies.
Because God called through the word.
No. His word, that word isn't. His word must be preached to every creature in this world, you know. Before the last end of the world, you know.
Dolphin too?
Every creature. What?
Everything.
Did they know that the fish them preach like that?
The preach on
The
the
fish
one.
them preach like that. They know that?
The fish them do what?
Preach them like that.
They preach on one of
What do
that.
you mean? Because let me tell you something. The fish, the animal overall, and the tree, praise God, but don't we praise God.
Okay, I believe
The
that.
Bible emphasizes on the fact that if a man not praise God, you know, he rise on trees and stone, you know.
Yeah.
To worship, you know.
Yeah.
So look at it now on a biblical perspective. Do you understand, say, if he have it in mind, right, to say if a man will worship, that means say those can be rose up to worship.
Yeah, man.
They can be raised up.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Because he mentioned it. He say if a man resists of worshiping, he can rise up.
Yes, man. You take my tree and stone and praise him, man.
And do it don't, man.
Yeah.
So this stone not really need us.
That's right. If we refuse and praise him, then the stone praise him.
But who to say this that they're
not
not
crazy?
crazy?
And my brother that sing out hell. My friend that said, yo, the brother can make nice song, man. You can't go down. I said, oi, the brother praise God more, you praise him. And it's a fact.
Because it's a joyful night.
It's a fact, man. Anyway, you go, man. And you, my brother, and you might give God thanks.
Like how the birds do.
Yes, and the brother give God thanks.
The dolphins swim and
Yeah.
That is it.
The fish under the sea,
you never know so they pray to.
Every creature, man, give God thanks. Man.
Well,
every creature.
back to the balance and change. It has to be justified in the law where that is concerned. The word have to reach the four corner before. The word stands. So as I said, Jamaica Good Life is the word. Anything we utter out of our mouth, we send forth. And we send it with belief to say, alright, it will work. You understand? So that's faith, activating our faith. You understand? And for me, change and balance, you may understand that there's a lot of place for growth. There's a lot of place for improvement. But if you limit yourself, then you will not accept any change in your life. None of that whatsoever. Being in a different environment, you have to learn to adapt. Change. You understand? Work with the situation of a certain institution or entity or whatever it is. You have to actually put yourself in a position of becoming that change that is required of you. So change and balance basically is just an improvement of you accepting something that is either bigger than you or something that will develop you. Being at beaches now, for me, you understand, I've seen so much things that I have to learn. You know, being at Shields, I've learned certain things, but yet still, it's so little. You understand, it's so little for Shields, but so big. You understand, for beaches, because when you realize the little that I gained here at Shields, it requires so much more at beaches. So it's a growth. So when you look, I'm down here, I'm just going to be elevated, and that's change. You understand? That's change. You understand? So being at beaches now, I see a lot of things that you're going to take me a while to grasp. You understand? And even though I have the knowledge and the understanding of service and things, there's certain things that I still don't know. You understand? But if I just stay in my shoes and say, okay, I know it all at Shields, then I'm stuck. You understand? Because everywhere requires something else. And you have to accept it.
In your personal life interaction with, let's say, an t-shirt, can you apply more change in your personal life?
Well, for me, my personal life is like a growth. Time. Between balance and change comes time. You understand? It takes time to get that balance. I'm going to sit up tomorrow and I'm going to get balance.
No, you can't.
So understand what I'm saying. The point is, me being, everybody wants to be in control of your life. Everybody wants to be happy. So I'm not going to sit here and say, okay, my life is balanced and I'm alright.
Did you get up off the table and say, excuse me?
Yes. You know, no balance.
That's change.
Okay, I'm so
You need to apply some change.
I'm so sorry.
Personal life.
I'm so sorry.
Something is wrong.
Hush.
So that's the cool thing about change. Everything we do around us. I saw a man with them pants down. And I said, no, Reggie, you have to change that. You can't go around me. And get up off the table and say, gentlemen, excuse me. No order. No order.
Hush, gentlemen.
No.
Gentlemen, I'm
People
sorry.
understand when we get upset.
Yes.
Yes. No order. That's right. We get nervous. Yes. I'm gonna do something simple that you want, and then show you off. And the man get up, like full in belly. No out of order.
You see, gentlemen, I'm sorry. You see what happened? This guy got to go to work 2 o'clock. We say we're going to
You want to know.
Listen. You got to go to the 2 o'clock. We got to go to the beach. We got to get the plate washed. So I get up to start the dishwashing.
You should have
I'm so
said
sorry. You have said I'm so sorry.
All right.
Next time I want you to take it.
Thank you.
Go.
See, that's a good change.
Yes.
You know, Nick,
Go.
about this new evangelistic movement. Everything you do now, we have to watch yourself.
Yes.
This is what supposedly people supposed to do as good faith-based people. You have to watch themselves. I don't just say God I watch you. You have to watch yourself. So everything you do is in some kind of order. Because even me now, I want to change the amount of food I eat. I want to change my running,
But yet still,
doing some push-ups.
you don't reach that point as yet. So
Time.
So you see, in my personal life, you see, I always tell people, even if I'm in a relationship, I want to make sure that I give the full extent of my mercy, the full extent of my love, the full extent of my leniency, the full extent of what I would want to get from somebody else if I was in the position of that same person.
But at the same time, do you understand that? Like, for example, me come to you and I say to you, Nick, the maca there take you now. When you take the maca out of you, that will kill you. Because me see it in your back, but you don't see it. And you say, yeah, you know, right, if you have a maca dripping on the back, but me never know. But because you're so patient, you make the maca juke you until you get sick.
Right.
So sometimes people around you have to change you. You can't change yourself. But
That's not a good thing to be changed by somebody, to be influenced by somebody. As I said, being a man is standing up for what you believe in. Don't let nobody criticize other ancestors. You have to stand up you, because there must be failure. There must be certain things that will happen to you, so you have a story. I cannot live by your
order.
Exactly.
You have to live by your own order.
And try to make
And
my
you have
balance.
to develop your order.
Exactly.
So if you do something you see is disorderly,
I fix it.
what
With the help of who surrounds me.
But if you do something and it's disorderly, but you're not recognizing that it's disorderly, someone address it like a trustee, right? And then you have to take your time. Take your time. Because we're here to support each other. Trust me. And I'm going to tell you something. I've made some mistakes. You see the difference between... Here's the beautiful thing about the time when we have on earth. I've learned some valid lesson. The people who I love, care for as a Taurus, you know what a Taurus is? Somebody will give and give and give and give and give. Trust you not give nothing, so you wouldn't understand.
Come on now. They said the word have to be preached.
It has to be preached. Trust you not give nothing. People have to know that. So we as Taurus, we just give. And we say, no,
It's not a solemn duty.
we're going to make people prove themselves. But you see, by that time they don't prove themselves, we're sick, we're done out. That is what we learn about life. Those are the things I have to change about me. Even coming down to Jamaica now, eating we don't know. The greatest money me spend eating on my local life savings. And nothing from the fans. If you come and buy food with Uno, I'm going to promise myself, you see, after I left the house, I better grow up. When people see me, I better look them straight in the face. I say, no, they see me now. Me change. Me not do my life no more. And you know, I said, me not give my life no more. So if anything we can depart to you, every time a man, you no matter how round your neck, you have to turn up now. So we can give my life. Right, I just think I just not doing nothing. So you can't teach you how to give nothing.
Yes.
And that's the self-preservation happening in this life, you know. And this life, look how you give kindness to family and to family this year. And you'll never lose the lesson. It's a serious thing about life. Don't lose the
You
lesson.
cannot lose that lesson. How comes?
Thank you, sir.
You finish eat, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna plate them to man.
I don't want any
You plate it, yeah?
That's good, thank you.
I don't want
I don't want any more.
Look at them on the plate.
I know, I don't want any more. Whoa, I'll give you.
Let's have box,
I
sir.
don't want no more. You see, being a chef, you know, is what? It is very, and you see, that's a very funny thing, you know. The man who cook the food, you know, they can't consume it, you know, as the man who get in it, you know. The man who sit down and wait for him.
No, the one who put the food up in less. That's a must.
Rough? How will it taste good?
Still like the less.
Like this. This has been a good breakfast. I'm going to try to change some things in my life. Try to be more steady, more focused on what I have to do personally. And every day I get up, want to send a cheers to my friends and fans or not what me have forgotten in my life. Because enough people take things for granted. I'm ready to work out and talk to them. You know, trust it when you sit on your way. I said, that boy did say that to me. But you forgive and you're merciful and you use the mercy all the time.
But Randy,
And then sometimes you get up and say,
Randy, if you say you forgive and you be merciful, what you can't tell that person after that, man?
You just have to pray something, then do it again.
No,
You have to give the person a chance.
no, listen this, Randy.
Themselves again.
Randy, the Bible said, you must forgive your brother 70 times 7 in a one day. How much time that? Good. So you know what that means. So you can't turn on the person.
It's good to forgive, you know, but not forget.
No, well,
But
that's
you
it.
still don't put that pin on the person to say, yo, the person will do it again. You know, so you have to be merciful. When we know it's coming to Jamaica here is going to be hard to get people for me. As I try through, we're bridging them we can see the real from the fear. And I pray that I apply some change and balance in my life so they keep them and they don't take advantage of me. So, it's going to be a journey. You come to the breakfast, excuse me, sir. Yes. I still have order. I get away from if you get off the seat.
This is just an excuse.
Thank you for the breakfast.
You see, that is about change, you know. Yeah. People fear to make a move, you know. The moment you make a move, you know, you roll again so we are whip. You understand?
Yeah.
Ah, that man.
Yes. And if we follow that kind of movement, then every move we make in real life, we can see the order of it.
Let's put up the bed.
Okay, I'm going to spread up that bed because my sister is going to read.
Yeah.
She's not on the stage, that's it. Talk about change and balance and you with your big gut and your creamer. But don't judge me. When I'm saying who threw the four stone, what I'm saying?
He said, oh, they're ready to store stone. He said, the word you know, you seen it not, no. Cast the first stone.
He that without a sin, man.
Come on.
The first stone.
Come on, brother.
Yes, man.
Every man turn up so. Till then jump in.
Yes, man.
Let me go spread up my bed.
We finish my round now. See that? Oh no, one plate left, man. I need plate left, man.
This was a beautiful breakfast.
We need to get this.
This is a grand time. Can this string come out?
No, man.
Let's jump in it, see?
Let's say the string there. The string come out, they're gonna think there with the track, you know, probably tap of one. Should I just string out your
But maybe we can take out this.
Well, yeah. Yeah. Drop my next one. Take off the thing now, right? Stick one.
touching Jesus is on. It's on.
Let me repeat.
Come on, let's go back to that.
You ready? No, let's go.
You got it.
You want to say?
Use the bathroom.
No, let me go. Oh, there is only one way, God, to touch Jesus. Just so you see that life as I said to Randy, big man, me I trust my own guts in this life here. At the end of the day, me have to stretch the same leniency to others because sometimes people will do a better job than your own family. So regardless, uncle, we just say fairly that the same leniency me stretch to one and say why. You know, family say, me must stretch to you too. Who can tell what is going to happen in the future?